So here's an example of a clip I recorded earlier. As you can see, there are mouse button clicks in the timeline. Mouse button click recording is enabled on the General tab and is over here. Buttons, there you see it's clicked. So although it was recorded with the buttons on, what you'll notice is that when I play it, you'll see that digit 1, digit 2 have a button, but 3 and 4 don't. Now obviously sometimes it's important to have the clicks, sometimes it doesn't matter. In this instance we're going to insert them. If you look up here, you'll see these two options here. This left button is for inserting single or double clicks into the timeline for the left mouse button, and this one's for the right. This feature, if it doesn't appear, can be turned on in the General tab by clicking this option here. So the simplest way to insert clicks most times is just by inserting them while the clip plays. So if we take the clip back to an earlier point and then start it playing, then we can insert it. There's 1, 2, insert, insert, stop. So here you can see are the two button clicks that we put in. If we just click on the timeline here just to review them, are they in the right place? 3 looks good. 4 looks a little late. This is the click for button number 4. What you can do, you can just click on it and hold it for the finger to appear, and then just pull it back a little bit, like that, and then just move the cursor back and just try it again. So there's 4, 5. It's looking good. Let's just try it from the beginning of the clicks. Let's go all the way back, in fact. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, even now it's a little late. Let's just move it back a little bit. Let's just try that once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks fine now. So that's it. That's how you can insert clicks. If you want to remove a click at any time, if we just pick this one over here, you just put your mouse on the click, double click, and away it goes. One other option is that mouse clicks can sometimes get in the way when you're trying to do an edit. If you just put the mouse over the preview area, click the right mouse button and choose this option, hide mouse clicks, you'll see the mouse clicks have disappeared and will now not get in the way. Just bring them back by clicking again.